Special guest. Teeny bopper.
Graham party of 5.
Say hi.
Rigged.
How is it, Jax? You chilling? You look like you're chilling. Ten hours later. We're ready to go in. We're ready to go take a nap.
Are you wearing flip-flop heels?
So it's huge.
Yes, very. It's big Punta Sur. We can stop. This is optional to see the little lagoon. This is the sanctuary of the crocodiles. If we are lucky, maybe we can see a crocodile over there. And there is a lighthouse. If you want to stop by the lighthouse, you can climb the lighthouse. Beautiful view up there.
Okay.
And there is restrooms at the lighthouse in case you need it. And then we go to the beach. All right.
Perfecto.
Once we get to the beach, I'll show you all the facilities. Snorkeling here. The snorkeling at Punta Sur is nice, but we need to swim a little bit far away from the shore because it's shallow. When they have mosquito season, they take part of it, burn it, and it's
And they
for,
release something that keeps the mosquitoes
Yeah,
away.
uh-huh.
Oh, wow. Dang, I've never seen one of those.
different examples of corals. Of course, dead coral. When they are alive, they keep the minerals, what makes the colors. Watch your shrimp here.
Jax, you're gonna see a crocodile.
Really nice.
No. I don't think so. We don't want to find out. Everywhere, man. Oh, there's one.
Where?
Jax. Oh, he's like right here.
Yeah,
She-
this is a female. The male is like 2 times bigger than her. So today the lagoon is not too deep because again hasn't rained that much. But these crocodiles has enough food in the lagoon. They have a lot of fish, and someone's pretty big fish. Here in the lagoon are mangroves, super important for the ecosystem because this works like a daycare for the baby fish and for the insects and the birds.
They stay in there?
Yeah, yeah. All the mangroves are like a daycare for them when they have a pretty good size because they keep safe from the predators. is pretty nice.
Oh, you like them? Yeah, you don't have to make your pick now. Oh, I like this little area. Maybe we'll find something here.
Ice cream, and if you want, then take a walk in the pictures, and then if you want,
Are you guys gonna go to Starbucks?
Yeah. What are we going down there?
No, let's get the Starbucks.
I think I want to get ice cream.
I think you want ice cream.
I said I think I want to get ice cream.
You want a big ice cream?
I want the big. Whatever they got, I want.
All the way in another country, and the kids want to go to Starbucks. So boring. These are water things, they're gonna splash on you. Look at that pasta. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno. Ravioli. Jada over there struggling to cut the pizza. How's she gonna survive college? There we go. Look at that thing.
thank God.
Whatever he said. Ask him. Ask the captain.
He probably doesn't know. He probably barely speaks English.
So speak Spanish.
Really not English?
Yeah. Gracias.
Let's go, my friend.
Man.
They don't have that.
She lemon, you wouldn't have no hole. Target did you dirty. You know, it's drone poppy time. It's crazy that this boat can come here, you can get on a stand. Right? Time for lunch.
Want to eat, boy? Want a sandwich? Oh, oh.
You don't gotta tell my boy twice, he gonna eat. Stabilizer. Ooh.
Dana.
I don't even know how to.
What the hell is that? Why did you just do that?
What did I do?
You just like jumped off, like. What did I do? Come on. Oh my God, my birthday.
Little donkey.
You got.
Come on.
I can't.
What?
I can't get up.
Oh my gosh.
She knew you guys.
No, she said. Like Ram family?
Yeah, what would you say?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me show y'all how to do this.
Gracias, Capi.
Is it good? Get my own. You're so mean.
Get the cookie and the chocolate, I'll get it to you.
Oh my god.
This one's ready if you give me the thing. Jax, how is it?
Yeah.
Did you make your own?
No, he didn't.
No? Come on, Nikolai. It's ready. You gotta put the chocolate on the thing. No. Put the chocolate on the thing.
On this?
No, on the bread and make a sandwich and pull it off. She doesn't know how to make s'mores, guys.
Okay. Oh, I don't know. I guess I never done it before.
So
That's how it's
one on
done?
the yeah.
Oh. I learn
Oh.
something new every day.
Oh. Look at that. Good
No,
job.
I didn't know that, really.
You really didn't know that?
No, I really didn't.
Oh, Lord.
I need to know how the horse moves.
Checkmate.
Huh?
Checkmate.
What?
Checkmate.
How?
Because I'm the GOAT. You better ask ChatGPT.
How?
Sometimes you just gotta declare victory and confuse them.
How? That's not true. I have pawns in front of
Put W.
Put W, Jordan, and Jackson.
If you watch me in Fortnite.
If you're watching this.
If you don't, you're annoying.
You wanna go in the van?
Yeah. And so, yeah, put W, Jackson, and Jordan in the comments. Because we're just fire. We're Sigma boys. Well, I'm a girl, he's a boy. Alright, we're going in the car right now. We're leaving.